Hi, I'm Yi from class 286. Now I'm going to do my homework pronunciation. Sit, hit, bit. Sit, hit, bit. Bat, hat, leg. Bat, hat, leg. Book, took, look. Toe, foot. Girl, bird, hurt. Ago, about. Car, far, bar. Nut, hut, box. But, hut, but, nut, cut. Today. Nice. Boy. Tour. Hair. Now. Ear, here. Foot. Butt. Bat. Shop. Stop. Book. Bag. Job. Lab. 10. Toast. Test. Want. Coat. Cost. Do. Duck. Did. Need. Cat. Cow. Like. Look. Fork. Job. Jump. Judge. College. Luggage. Think. Think. Month. Both. This. That. The. With. Breathe. Fan. Fat. Fork. Wife. Knife. Life. Van. Vest. Voice. Arrive. Drive. 5. See. Saw. Sing. Box. Fix. Box. She. Shore. Shit. Wash. Bush. Finish. Zoo. Zip. Use. Close. Man. Mouse. Time. Room. No. Nut. Fine. 9. Long. Lot. World. School. Sing. Ring. Measure. Pleasure. Rat. Read. Yet. Young. Hut. Hang. Word.